My name is Kathleen Fall, and it is a pleasure and honor to serve Holy Name's faith-filled community. Welcome to our virtual tour. At Holy Name of Jesus, each student is appreciated for their unique God-given talents and skills. The school community lives the values and tenets of the teachings of Jesus Christ while educating the whole child. Generation after generation continues to bring their children forward to receive a valued, instilled education rich in history and spirituality. Academics at Holy Name of Jesus begin with the youngest learners in our community. The Early Learning Center was opened in January of 2020. We accept students who are 12 months and walking through the age of 3. Students begin learning social, fine motor, and early learning skills. On the main campus, we also have a 3-year-old program for our older students who are ready for a more structured learning environment. Here, they continue to learn through the exploration of color, shapes, stories, and activities. From there, students join our VPK program, part of the statewide voluntary pre-kindergarten program. We abide by and meet all current regulatory requirements and provide state-certified teachers for our students.
Hi, my name is Jennifer Carney. As a teacher and a parent, I have a unique perspective, and I can see how this community is so devoted and caring to the students. As a teacher, every day I am able to see the hard work and the devotion of the teachers. And as a parent, I see the support and the community that everyone here shares. It's a very tight-knit, faith-based community.
Advanced placement in various grade levels and subjects is available for students who meet the requirements of these programs. KITE, Kids Inspired Through Education, is an enrichment program for students in our 3rd through 5th grades. Students who qualify attend an enrichment class twice a week. These classes dive more deeply into areas of study to promote critical thinking.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Jane Burley. I teach 2nd grade here at Holy Name of Jesus Catholic School. I've been teaching for 30 years here, most of the years in 2nd grade. The thing I love about our school and our parish is the spirit, the community, the supportiveness from my colleagues, and the children, of course. One of the best things about Holy Name. They're smart, they're creative. It just makes me so happy to come to work every day.
Our middle school students begin using one-to-one Chromebooks in 6th grade. Through Google Classroom, students receive notification of assignments, upcoming events, tests, and submit their work. Students can also collaborate with their peers or teachers. All of the middle school textbooks are located online for easy access. We have a complete science lab located in our middle school building. Instruction, including labs, are provided here for our 5th through 8th grade students in preparation for high school. Students in pre-K 3 through 4th have a STREAM Science Lab, which includes their active participation in growing a school garden.
Hi, my name is Jude, and here at Holy Name we have a vegetable garden where we are growing vegetables for a project in a class called STREAM.
Holy Name of Jesus also has a full technology lab where teachers take students to access educational programs, complete student testing, and create projects. Last year, we completed the final installment of Newline interactive screens in all classrooms. This technology assists student learning as well as improves teacher instruction. The new screens, new teacher laptops, and new iPads have allowed a seamless transition to online learning and continues to support both our virtual learners as well as those who attend in person. Our school facilities include a state-of-the-art gymnasium, field, and track. Our students enjoy participating in a variety of sports such as flag football, soccer, and basketball. The sports program begins as young as kindergarten and extends to JV and varsity at the middle school level.
At Holy Name we have a really great sports program, and at During PE, we get to exercise and do a bunch of fun activities and play outside with our friends.
Support is available for students at all levels. A support teacher is available to assist any student who requires additional services and/or time to be academically successful. The faculty and staff at Holy Name of Jesus Catholic School give tirelessly of their time and talents to educate and enrich the education of our students. They volunteer to provide additional tutoring before and after school. They serve on school team committees, as members for our National Junior Honor Society, Student Council, our science fairs, art shows, and direct student plays. They provide activities for special events and support student mission projects. Outreach to others is an expected way of life for our community. Service to others, ideas, and programs are always met with excitement because through service, we are able to spread the mission of our faith to others. Holy Name of Jesus does accept scholarships such as Step Up for Students, AAA, McKay, and other state programs. We also provide financial assistance for those students and families who qualify.
What I love most about Holy Name is the teachers. Teachers are just amazing people.
Although the majority of our students are Catholic, we welcome you to visit and join our community. It would be my pleasure to have you tour our school and see us up close. You can also follow us on Facebook. Thank you for taking the time to view our virtual tour. For more information, please call the number below or visit our school website.